What are you going to be reviewing today?
Construction site set.
Yeah, you're going to open up the driven construction site set?
It's called a dump set.
What does it have with it? 62 pieces. What does it have, Thierry?
Dump set is boulder.
It has a dump truck, a boulder,
a
crane,
a this, and this.
caution cones, stop signs,
and
traffic signs,
There's boulder, and the boulder that's here, and the cone, and this, and this, and this, and this, and all of this. You know, let's see in the box. Oh, let's see.
and it comes with an exclusive dump truck only found in the set.
Only found in the set. It's a toilet, Mommy.
It has lights and sounds. It says "Try me." Oh, on top somewhere.
Yeah.
Maybe it needs a battery.
Yes, it's near a battery.
Press on the roof. All right, so we're gonna have to put batteries in it, I guess, because it's not making sound. Oh, pull this tab. Now try it. Thierry, move. There you go. Ooh. Has lights in the front.
Now we're talking about to put the flat out.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Tell your friends goodbye. See you later.
See you later.
Okay.